atom, smallest unit into which matter can be divided without the release of electrically charged particles. It also the smallest unit of matter that has the characteristic properties of a chemical element. As such, the atom is the basic building block of chemistry. Most of the atom is empty space. The rest consists of positively charged nucleus of protons and neutrons, surrounded by a cloud of negatively charged electrons. The nucleus is small and dense compared with the electrons, which are the lightest charged particle in nature. Electrons are attracted to any positive charge by their electric force in an atom. Electric forces bind the electron to the nucleus. Because of the nature of quantum mechanics, no single image has been entirely satisfactory as at visualizing the atom's various characteristics. In some respect, the electrons in an atom behave like particles orbiting the nucleus. In others, the electrons behave like waves frozen in position around the nucleus. Such wave patterns, called orbital, describe the distribution of individual electrons. The behavior of an atom is strongly influenced by these orbital properties, and its chemical properties are determined by orbital grouping known as shell. Atoms were created after the Big Bang, 13.7 billion years ago. As the hot, dense new universe cooled, conditions become suitable for quarks and electrons to form. Quarks came together to form protons and neutrons, and these particles combined into nuclei. It took 380,000 years for the universe to cool enough to slow down the electrons so that the nuclei could capture them to form the first atom. Atoms always have an equal number of proton and electron, and the number of proton and neutron is usually the same as well. Adding a proton to an atom makes a new element, while adding a neutron makes an isotope, or heavier version of that atom.